What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky.
I got a new bear. It broke my heart. I just chopped off his butt. Dummy, can you bring the Samurai 360? Never mind. Bernie. Is that a bye-bye, Bernie? Bye-bye, bear! Barry. My name is Barry. What do you get when you cross him? With this. Strawberry. I'm not going to do a face reveal today. Except for now. Okay. Destruction. Watching Harry Potter at the same time I'm destroying this. We have to undo this. No, I'm using that. You didn't have to do that, but I just got the one. Oh, well. I'm using that. I could use this as a puppet. Everybody. Oh, wait, this is her leg. Oh, yeah, I destroyed it. Oh, wait, no. I didn't destroy it. Hi. I'm Chucky. Wanna play? No!
So the incredibly minor accident that I had today. 4 weeks without the car. Okay, yep, good night. But accident forgiveness, your rates won't go up just because of an accident.
Okay, so I have just destroyed this teddy bear. And I have all of this fluff, which I have nothing to do with except stuff things. Socks. So, I'm actually going to have an example. I'm going to stuff this sock of mine. Ooh, this video has been a long time.
Close that up.
Ooh, I can make a llama.
I'm thinking you want the eyes from the bear? Go on.
Yeah. Wait, no, I got eyes.
How about the ears? Do you want more of this fabric?
No, I got
the
eyes.
ears?
Yeah. From the back. Wherever you cut it. Okay. I'm collecting fluff right now. Because I'm going to make pillows. Stuff pillows and make pillowcases. And I'm going to have my own business, basically.
Here. Look, you want to glue that? One ear.
Okay. No. Okay, now I got a hot glue.
However you want to do the ears.
I need a new stick. Okay, I got burnt. I just got burnt.
Okay?
Yeah. Now, got this. Ooh, this is like a prank. Wizard of Oz. So, I have all of this stuffing. I'm going to make a llama. I have to unstuff it. Only there unstuffing. This has to stay. Want to be me too. Now that I have all this stuffing, I next video. Today I'm probably going to be making a lot of videos. Whoa. I need to clean my glue gun. Whoa. So, I just created 2, 1, then a second one. That's fortunate. This gun has been on for way too long, so I'm going to have limited time. Oh, so right now this is what I see. The socks. I'm going to scream help, probably. I need sock puppets. This one is called Morgan Freeman. Oh, wrong hand. Hi. Hello, I'm Morgan Freeman. Hello. I'm Morgan Freeman.